You are going to love the 2013 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: XM satellite radio, traction control, heated seats, third row seat, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, four-wheel drive, navigation system, air conditioning, power steering. Your new ride is just a phone call away.